and welcome back to my Petite Kitchen. I'm Susie, and I sure hope you're enjoying our videos because we are definitely having a ball making them for you. Today we're going to have an all-American favorite. My dad loved it. It's meatloaf. So let's get started. We need a big bowl. And we're going to start with 2/3 of a cup of milk. Okay. And we have here, I have 3 slices of bread that I have torn up into little pieces. I'll put that in there. Mix it around a bit. Okay. 1 egg. That around. And we have 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Salt and pepper. This you're going to do to taste. I could tell you to put in a 1/2 teaspoon or a teaspoon, or you know what? Everybody's an individual. What I recommend is doing light on the salt. We want to be cardiovascular friendly here. And my family likes spices. They like garlic and onion and other stuff. So here in my little cup, I have my spices ready. I have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground mustard, and then my secret ingredient, a 1/4 teaspoon, a heaping 1/4 teaspoon of chipotle chili. I'm going to add that to it. Mix it up. Whoa. And now we're going to add our ground beef. I have 1 pound of lean ground beef. Add that to it. And you know, my mother always made meatloaf by squishing it through her hands. I personally don't like the feeling, so I put on a glove. Mix that in there so it's well combined. This is a great meat and potatoes type dinner. Serve it with a vegetable or a salad. Some mashed potatoes. Okay. Now I have my pan here, a loaf pan, or you can just put it in like a regular pan. I squirted it with a little bit of olive oil just to keep it from sticking a little bit. And then you're going to take and place that in there. Form it into a loaf. Just like that. And we are going to put 1/2 cup of ketchup over the top. And we're going to bake this in a 350-degree oven for 1 hour and 15 minutes. And that's at 350. Okay, so it's been 1 hour and 15 minutes, and then we let it rest for 5 minutes in its pan. And now we're going to slice it. And there you have marvelous meatloaf.